To all my TV lovers, sad news indeed. Njengoba sazi ngomhla ka-28 kaFebruary uyaphela Umkhokha, guys. It's gonna be his last episode, and Umkhokha is gonna be replaced by a show ekuthiwa igama layo iThonga. And then also as well, My Brother's Keeper is gonna be ending very soon, and this is gonna be their second season and their last season. Show is a replacer My Brother's Keeper igama layo kuthiwa iGenesis. Now let's start with iThonga. iThonga is mostly produced KZN by the company called iChetha Productions. I think Nyayazi Teta is responsible for producing our shows after The River. The main star of the show iThonga is going to be Ubonko Khoza, who is famous for playing with The Wife as well as Red Ink on Showmax. Alright, and many other shows. I think he also has Ama movies, Gabo, Netflix, Nan. But he's going to be the main character. Kule show, he's going to not be alone because he's going to be playing two characters as one person. He's going to be himself as well as his twin brother is going to be playing. I think it's going to be Ubane and Osanel. I don't know which one is which. What's the storyline, because they haven't given us much detail with each show, email and Nan. But one of the famous faces also as well is also on the show, like Abo Ayanda Boroto, Abonedi Sibiya, Usislo Masango, Exagui, Young Ins. There's quite a lot of familiar faces rather on this show. Bafethu nizoyithanda le show, trust me. iThonga, we're gonna review it definitely uma isiphuma uma sekuphele Umkhokha. Now, secondly, masukuba yini iGenesis. Genesis, ngoba lisho igama, the first book in the Bible, Genesis, is all about gospel. And what is the show about? It's about this gospel, how can I say it, public figure was trying by all means to protect her name and her riches against wonke ama-vultures afuna ukudla umcebo wakhe. Right? Now, Baby Cele is also the star of the show, as well as Mr. Madlala, the actor with Gomora, as well as we see Neymaps. Thank God Neymaps from 5 shows at 7:30, because honestly, it should have been something else to Kupuma Umkhokha, and then we're past 8. Masayangena for school show past 8. It would have confused a lot of people. So I'm happy for that. There's many other faces as well. Genesis, OKB, baningi abantu laphayana. So guys, please be on the lookout for that. I think it'll come on 21 April 2025. It's gonna be a good show as well. Asibone ukuthi i-first season yakhona isiphethe kanjani. If you want to know why ikhathazekile lawa ama shows Umkhokha na My Brother's Keeper, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know, but as we do know, ama shows get cancelled because of viewership. It's nothing personal. Obviously, maybe they have not been doing the numbers. Maybe they are trying to change to something new. We do not know. We're gonna see at its goes. Thank you for coming through to my channel. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, guys. Subscribe and press the like button.